Welcome to Chitrayan drawing class for kids. Today I am going to show you how to draw and paint easy drawing of festival on oil pastel. Now I draw a swan very easily. At first I draw number 2. This curved line for neck and for wings and make V for tail. U, I. If you are following this tutorial, watch this video till end. You can follow my drawing step by step. Now swan is ready for swimming. Having finished the drawing, then I apply the colors accordingly. At first I am using orange, yellow ochre, white, cerulean blue for water, light blue, I think I finished my work. My only advice to you, practice every day because practice makes a man perfect. Hope you like this video. If yes, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Your support will encourage us to produce new variable instructional video. Again, thanking you very much. Keep supporting us. Have a nice day.